Orlando, Orlando. So we went shopping at Walmart last night because it was 24/7, and they have some weird flavors there. Like, look, I'll show you. I'm showing off the weird flavors. Like, look, they got cookies and cream. I mean, that's probably not that weird, but it looks weird. Like, I haven't seen this before. And then mocha crunch, like limited edition. And then peach mango with like 55% less sugar. Like, what?
This is good cereal.
Mahal-mahal ka mo nyo. Breakfast ninyo. Hindi ako natiray dahil akin
It just tastes like cookie crisp. It tastes like cookie crisp. Hey guys, can I ask you a question? Look at that water. Look at it go. Oh yeah, and there's a bird.
Kaya lang wala silya. Siguro dito. May nagdala ako ng mga ulo sa labas. Ay, alas silya.
I am on my way. I can go the distance. I don't care how far. Somehow I'll be strong. I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to find where I belong. So there's actually like signs that tell you how many parkings are free, and the green ones that are lighting up, they're free. So we're at Disney Springs right now because we woke up late because of jet lag. Ooh, I almost fell in the elevator or escalator. But yeah, we're gonna go to the parks the next 4 days. Since I asked you guys a question, Orange, you glad that I did? Man, I'm really dying for food right now. It's your man's Steve Rogers here, and we found the Marvel store, the Marvel headquarters. Oh yeah! Wow.
Tell me when you find it.
Ooh, look at that! Wow, but that won't fit me.
Mommy, can you get that?
We got some Funko Pops here. And you can get your faces there. There's Doctor Strange. What a strange store. since it's the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., they have all of the times of all these different cities and different countries.
Pag inilapit mo kay Laika yan, tatahulan.
I should have played Laika with the doggies.
So, yeah, we're stuck in the Marvel headquarters because it's hella raining outside. So now we're in the Star Wars store and we found the BB-8 hats. Yeah.
When it's not raining, you wear your mask.
So we bought me the BB-8 hat because when I was at Disneyland, I bought my mom R2-D2 hat. So now we're gonna be matching. Yay!
You're fine.
Okay. So that's where the Marvel store is at, and then that's the one we just came from. So I just left my family to take pictures. Now I'm coming back to them over there. I saw that movie 3 days in a row on the first 3 days. And I mean, like, yeah. Would recommend 100 out of 10. So there's no line for the men's restroom, but when we look to our left. So now we're by the Disney store, and that eye in there is actually moving. Pretty neat, pretty neat.
Did you already do it, or?
So we've decided we're probably gonna eat here at the T-Rex Cafe. Cafe? The cafe? The restaurant. Cafe? Restaurant. T-Rex. So we're at the T-Rex right now, and it's way past lunch, and we have to wait 45 minutes to eat. So I'm taking you guys with me, and
T-Rex, I'd like to welcome Lisa Fisco, Expedition 2.
yeah, I left my family because I gotta go check if the rainforest, because the wait is freaking 45 minutes there. We haven't eaten lunch yet. It's like 4 something right now, and like, yeah. But yeah, now we're going to the Rainforest Cafe to see if there's a line there. And I'm taking you guys on an adventure with me. There's this nice looking lake here at the fountain. So yeah, anyways, we're heading there. And yeah. They got the Disney logos on their gardens. Whose gardens are these? Whose boats is that?
I didn't already evolve. I like your camera.
Thanks, man. That guy said he likes my camera. He likes you guys. I think he's playing Pokemon Go. Because they said something about evolving. Lava Lounge. Rainforest Cafe. We have one in Vegas. We have a Rainforest Cafe in Vegas, but like, we don't have a T-Rex. That's why we want to go to T-Rex. But oh well, we'll see, we'll see. Oh. Yeah, I don't think, no. Like, they have a line too. So yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys back with me to T-Rex over there. By the way, you guys know when you're in the airplane and you're up there, and then that thing happens to your ears, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Like, yeah, like, it hurt. Like, my right ear was in pain. I couldn't hear through it, but now I think I've recovered. So that's good. That's good news. Now, whose boat is that? Disney Springs, the source of inspiration. So, we quit. We're not gonna eat there anymore. Because we still have to wait like an hour. And we're not gonna do that. I don't know why they're playing Christmas music in July. Yeah, so we're just gonna find a different place to eat with shorter lines. See you guys there. Wow. The Disney Descendants Dance Party. That alliteration though. So we finally found a place to eat. It's called the Wolfgang Puck. And yeah, it's pretty much dinner time already though. Like, look. Like, what even Disney Springs? Why? It's chicken time once again. Wolfgang Puck. I rate 8 out of 8. So initially I bought the BB-8 hat, but look. But like, even better. I think I'm gonna return the BB-8 one. Sorry, BB-8. So I ended up buying the Spider-Man hat, as you can see. I'm gonna give the BB-8 one to my grandma. And my sis got one too. My mom doesn't have hers, it's at home. The R2-D2, but we'll show it next time. There's what, Ma?
Huh?
There's what?
Alligator.
Alligator. My mom says there's alligators everywhere in Florida. It's pretty stereotypical. We're gonna go on the boat, the ferry, yeah. Hey, it's your boy Steve Parker here, or Peter Rogers, and looks like we're gonna be taking the Blossom Queen over there. Yep. It's your boy Captain Spider here. No, we're taking the Buena Vista, not the Blossom Queen, unfortunately.
Exercise na po tayo. Exercise na po
So
tayo.
now we're leaving Disney Springs. Sunshine State in my butt.
He's very proud. Teka.
Okay, you want the
Mess
charger
up.
now?
Oh. Buhol-buhol. Buhol-buhol.
Okay.
Buhol-buhol.
Which one you're talking about?
Tangled.
I don't know which
Buhol-buhol.
one. Because I have two right here and then one for